Welcome to today's training session on heavy metals. We are going to explore where these metals are found in textiles, why they matter for both health and the environment, and what we can do to ensure the garments we produce are safe for export. So, what exactly are heavy metals? These are naturally occurring elements like lead, mercury, cadmium, chromium, and nickel. While they exist in nature, they are sometimes used in textile production for things like dyes, pigments, finishes, and even leather tanning. Where we find them in textiles. Heavy metals can be found in a variety of places during the garment production process. For example, they may be present in dyed fabrics, printing inks, coatings, and even metal buttons, zippers, and synthetic leather products. Health concerns. The danger with heavy metals is that many of them are toxic. They can cause damage to vital organs, including the brain, liver, and kidneys. Some, like cadmium and chromium-6, have even been linked to cancer and nerve damage. Environmental impact. Heavy metals don't just harm our health, they also have a lasting impact on the environment. Once they get into the soil or water, they stick around for a long time. These metals can accumulate in fish and plants, moving through the food chain and harming entire ecosystems. Unfortunately, once they are released, they are difficult, if not impossible, to remove. Global legal limits. To protect both workers and consumers, many countries around the world have set strict limits on metals like lead, cadmium, mercury, and chromium. Regions like the European Union, the United States, Canada, China, South Korea, and Taiwan have implemented these regulations. Industry standards. To meet these regulations, global brands follow restricted substance lists, such as those from the AFA and AFIRM. Additionally, they support the ZDHC program, which works toward eliminating hazardous chemical discharges. Regular testing in laboratories is required to meet these global standards. Safer alternatives. So, how can we reduce the risk of contamination? One way is by using metal-free dyes and pigments. You can also choose nickel-free buttons and trims. And always be sure to verify the safety of materials by checking supplier test reports before production starts. Key takeaways. Testing and verifying the safety of all materials is essential. Not only does this protect workers, consumers, and the environment, but it also ensures that Bangladesh's garments remain trusted and competitive in the global market. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope this training has helped you understand the risks of heavy metals and how we can mitigate them by using safer alternatives. If you found this session helpful, please let us know your feedback so we can continue to improve our training programs.